Yan mga boss, bubuin na natin tong ating rim. Ito, rim ng ating Rider 150. Ito yung nirepaint natin na lumang hub. Meron tayo ditong Osaki na spokes. Ayan, ito yung size niya, yung 9G by 184 sa harapan. Ito namang 9G by 157 yung ilalagay natin sa may likod. Yan. Tapos yung rim natin, apido rim. Ano ba yan? Ayan, apido professional rim. Yung size niya, ayan, 36 hole, 1.4. Yan. Pareho yan, 1.4 yung rim, yung size. Yan. Tara, kabit na natin. Yan. Unahin ko muna tong harapan. So, bubuksan natin yung 184 na rayos. Yan. So, sa Osaki natin na rayos, meron tayong 18 na in, meron tayong 18 na out. Papakita ko sa inyo yung pagkaiba. Ito mga boss, kung makikita nyo, mas maiksi yung ating in. Ito yung out. Ito yung mas mahaba. Ito. Yung out, dito natin ipapasok. Palabas dito. Yeah, ito yung out. Yung mas mahaba yung curve dito. Yung papasok naman, yung mas maiksi, eh meron siyang lagayan dito. Ayan. Ayan siya. Unahin muna natin itong out.
I'm alone, I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go, I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost my style. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground